have y'all been? Talk to me, talk to me. Hey y'all, welcome back to this week's video. This is Rocky for those of y'all who don't know. Y'all, listen, I just bought a new camera and I accidentally recorded like 2-3 days worth of footage in slow-mo. Turns out when you record in slow-mo on a Sony ZV-F1, it records with no sound. So a lot of these videos have no sound, so y'all can hear me talking to y'all in a voiceover. Don't worry, I figured out the settings on the camera and I fixed it, and this won't happen again. Fingers crossed. I hope I didn't just jinx myself. But I'm just unboxing our new coffee table and putting it together. It's all done. This is what it looks like. Very cool. Do I like it? This is just a little grocery haul. Let me tell y'all, we spent $300 on groceries this day. This was supposed to be our groceries for a while. Obviously, I lost the audio for these videos because this was also in slow-mo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna tell y'all exactly what we bought, why it was so much. Starting with the bananas. We got bananas, Canada Dry, our fave ginger ale. Well, after Verner's, of course. Cat food, apples, the best apples. Orange juice, which I was already drinking. Because this mug was good. This was a good orange juice from Walmart. Green grapes. Grapes cost too much. We got some vegan butter, paper cups, carrots, and corn on the cob. Pico de gallo, strawberries, mushrooms, lettuce. I think that's asparagus. Yeah, asparagus and oat milk. Y'all already know. Love oat milk down. Cabbage. Grape jelly. Those little cups of like to-go cereal. Celery. 2 things of celery that I bought by accident. I meant to only get one. A green pepper. This is when I was going to make gumbo. This is right before the gumbo. Got some white rice. Pasta. Some chicken taquitos. Chicken and cheese. The best kind. The flour ones. Some chocolate chip cookies, breadsticks. This is protein cereal. It's strawberry. It was not good, y'all. Bacon bits, Belvitas. I eat those for work all the time. Cornbread, asparagus. Oh, if that's asparagus, I don't know what the other thing was. Blueberries, tortilla chips. Oh, I think that was green onions. Lentils, y'all. I don't know why I bought those. Paper bowls, paper plates. What was that? Oh, chicken broth for the gumbo. And we got some vegan heavy whipping cream. And those ready-to-go pastas. Those come in handy. Olive oil. And some new ramen that we hadn't tried. Some Ecker sausage for the gumbo. Ground turkey. Got a steak. Got some hamburger patties. And we got a roast. And some chicken breast. And Dawn power spray, whatever it's called. Egg whites, because y'all know I need that protein. And my wife got this nasty peanut butter and jelly creamer. I think that was it. I said my pockets was empty. Having pets and having to eat is expensive. That's what I said. I also was talking to y'all about not knowing how long it was going to take me to put all these groceries up because I needed to clean out the refrigerator and the freezer. So, yeah, I started doing all this at 5:50. It basically took me 2 hours to clean out the refrigerator and the freezer and put up all the groceries. It's like 20 degrees today, and it's supposed to be like a winter storm or something happening. It's cold as hell, that's all I know. My friend is fasting because her church is fasting, but I wanted to fast with her just because it's January, what is today? Y'all, I don't even know. It's January 6th, and I'm like, you know what? Let me do this with her because I am trying to get my eating together, and I feel like I need a reset. Like, I don't feel my best right now, and I'm tired of eating all this crap or whatever. Anyway, I said all that to say, today is the first day. It's 5-something. I just got off work. My stomach is touching my ass. I'm really trying to have some discipline. I feel like this will be a good way for me to really like lock in and be disciplined because I have no discipline. I have none, okay? Let me run inside Michael's real quick. That's me. How cute is all this stuff in here? I think I want to order one of these letters for our gallery wall. Like, how cute is this? I really like those too, but they cost too much. Everything is so cute. Look at these little trash cans. We need this. $13 for a trash can is... Look at the sushis. Thank you so much. Got my things. Got some craft paper so I can map out the layout of the gallery wall. Y'all are stressing me out. Lady Dumpling, no. Smokey. Oh, be nice. Like, look how packed it is everywhere. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Honestly, I was in and out. I got this little Febreze spray for my office and some batteries. That's it, and I'm headed home. The line to try to leave out of Walmart.
Why do you always think?
Took a one-day trip
Yes.
somewhere.
You would do it too for a check. Like,
Hey, that person's smart.
see.
The snowman.
Somebody built a snowman. Oh, what does it say? I love you.
Where is that?
Look. No, people are so fun.
My fingers are so cold.
No, my fingers are actually frozen.
I'm trying to hold
The penguin?
it like a penguin.
Oh, yeah. No.
Why do it look like a penguin?
Huh?
Do it look like I'm having fun?
I definitely almost fell. Okay. When did I even put my glasses on?
we gon' be alright.
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright.
And when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me.
I should have just cooked the whole damn cabbage. I'm off work, y'all. Let me show y'all what I got at Target real quick. It wasn't nothing crazy. A footstool for the toilet. A squatty potty, baby. Look, they had this. I said, how did they know I needed one? It was only $5. I got this green soap dispenser bottle for the bathroom, for our main bathroom. I also got a clear one to go out here, the kitchen sink. I got this cute spray bottle. But I'm gonna put oil in this so we can stop having to buy Pam. You think this gonna be like a weird spray? I think it's supposed to, I don't know what it's supposed to be for, but that's what I wanted it for. To put oil in here. Extra virgin olive oil, probably. You know, you're supposed to put extra virgin olive oil in a dark bottle. So maybe it'd be vegetable oil. I got this electric bottle brush cleaner. You think this actually works, baby? It's electric. They said you just pop this part off and you can put it in a dishwasher. And it can stand up on its own. Oh, I got these cute little coasters. Look, they have olives on them. I really only liked it for the green swiggle. I feel like that matched our decorations, but it came with an olive on it. So, but these are very cute. It's for our coffee table. I got this little Lazy Susan organizer thing. I don't know what I'm using for yet, but that's all I got. See, it wasn't even a lot of stuff. Only 7 items. Everything was only $3. Well, some stuff was $5, but.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bit.
As y'all can see, I very much still have my Christmas curtain up. So I'm about to change that and put our regular curtain back up.
Rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs. Let's not write it down for real. P.S. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Living my life in the margin, and that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Living my life in the
It's very wrinkled. But at least it's clean. At least y'all know that means I just got it out the dryer. You know what I mean? It's gonna do the job, so it's fine. It's fine. But I'm about to get out these clothes. I'm exhausted. It's almost time for me to eat because y'all know I've been doing that fast with my friend. So I haven't ate nothing since way this morning, okay? It's been like 8 hours or something. I'm starving. This is day 7 though, you know. It's been some hiccups in the road, but we've been doing what we need to do. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.